Golden, crispy and with cheesy goodness, paneer with cheese balls are the ultimate snack you've got to try. They are simple to make and taste amazing with a side of green chutney or tomato ketchup. Let's get started. First, take a bowl and add grated paneer, grated cheese, grated carrot, finely chopped onions, de-seeded and chopped green chillies, fresh coriander leaves, chili flakes and oregano. Mix everything well and shape them into small balls. Next, prepare a corn flour slurry by mixing corn flour with water in a bowl. In another bowl, keep some breadcrumbs ready. Dip each ball into the corn flour mixture and then roll it in breadcrumbs until well coated. Once all the balls are ready, keep them in the freezer for 10 minutes to set. Now, comment if you have done this before. How was your recipe? You can share your recipe as well. And please do comment from which part of India or which part of the world you are connecting here. I would love to read your comments as well. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, share, give a thumbs up. Here I was doing almost 45 to 50 for a potluck in our community. So that was a great time of preparing all those things. I thought I'll take a video and share it with you here as well. Now heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Fry the balls until they turn golden brown. Once done, take them out and place them on a tissue-lined plate to remove any extra oil. For the green chutney, add coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chillies, garlic, lemon juice, salt and a spoon of besan flour or curd to a blender. Blend it into a smooth chutney. Here I added little besan flour and lemon juice only. So you can add only the curd also. Serve the crispy paneer cheesy. Now the crispy paneer and cheese balls are ready. Serve the crispy paneer cheese balls hot with green chutney or tomato ketchup on the side. Enjoy your snack.